Irby and Joseph Fajardo Pagtalunan. Sino ba yon? Para sa akin, you are my best friend, my confidant, my biggest fan, my comforter, my encourager, and now my forever. Ang tinakda ng Panginoon na tao na makakasama ko habang buhay. Love, we may have started on the wrong foot and were really a big mess before. We were young back then, but now we have blossomed with our loving coming from God. And here we are right now, standing before God and all these witnesses. We are a testimony of God's goodness, love, forgiveness, and grace.
Aking pagmamasdan sa iyong mata, nakatingin.
Sa amin yung love story namin is a little bit complicated. We started on the wrong foot, and then I thank God we start over again. Then that's the time na binigyan kami ni Lord ng another chance to, to be together. And then I'm happy that we're still together till now. And then here we are.
The most important part of marriage is yung partnership with God. Siya ang ikatlong karakter na napakahalaga sa pag-aasawa.
Today, I choose to be your wife, and the easiest commitment that I said yes to. It's easy to commit to a man who is first committed to God and his family. So from this moment forward, I will follow your lead as you follow his.
Pangako ko, ako'y lagi sa iyong tabi. Kahit anong bagyo, ako ang payong mo o giliw.
I want to say thank you for all the effort and pagtitiis na binigay mo sa akin. Even though I'm hot-headed and sometimes mas mabilis ako mainis. But then, you never gave up. And also, I thank you for not giving up on us even though it's been hard nung una tayo nagsimula since before 10 years. And yun, salamat sa lahat. And I promise na papalitan ko yun ng forever.
Wala nang iba, oh ikaw, 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 wala nang iba.
Jesus said sa John 15:5, apart from me, you can do nothing. Pag wala si Kristo, wala daw tayong magagawa. Pag wala ang Diyos na nagtatayo, na nag-create ng marriage, nagbubuo ng pamilya, pag wala siya, yung nagtatayo nito, nag-aaksaya na.
Siyang sagot, hinigitan mo ang lahat, panalangit at ang hiling, palaisipan sa buhay ko, ikaw ang naging siyang sagot, hinigitan mo ang lahat, panalangin at ang hiling. Ikaw, 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 ikaw lang talaga. Oh, ikaw, ikaw, ikaw talaga. Oh, ikaw, ikaw,
Now that we're getting
ikaw.
married, I'm excited to live to start and to live our lives for the rest of eternity. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you so much.
Wala nang iba.
You may now kiss the bride.